Hey, I'm Dr. Gregg with Align Wellness Center, and I wanted to take a minute to share with you an adjustment for someone who really works hard in life. This is Bernie.
Hello.
Bernie is a caregiver. She works with people who have difficulty in life and need extra support. It involves lifting, moving, dressing, caring for people. And Bernie, when we met, what was going on with you?
Oh yeah, actually the first one I came over because I have lots of pain in my back, my neck, and my shoulder, and that's why I'm with Dr. Gregg to help me out, and it really helps a lot. Just for a couple of visits, I can really tell the difference.
Awesome. Is it okay if we show them what we do with you?
Oh yeah, yes, no.
Super.
Sure.
So if I can have you lay down on your back, we'll begin with an adjustment.
All right.
So for all of our patients, we begin by pulling on, checking their legs, and straightening them out. It really helps for me to wind up seeing and understanding some of the things we need to do to wind up adjusting her neck. So we're going to put a gentle force into her neck to take pressure off the nerves and allow the messages to get through. When we wind up having stress in our lives, whether they're sudden or over time, it winds up breaking down how the energy gets from our brain to our body. Keep that there, don't let me move you, don't let me move you. And as that energy does not get through, it winds up causing weakness, postural distortions, and can wind up affecting the organs at the end of those nerves. Keep that there, hold that there. Was that easier, Bernie?
Oh yes.
Super. So every one of our adjustments has the goal of reconnecting the brain with the body, the brain with the muscles, the brains with the organs, so that a person can have better communication. Keep that there, hold that there, keep that there. Have you ever had someone in your life that you thought should just know everything that you think? I have. And that's sometimes, straight up with this leg, how our body works. Turn your foot out. The connections don't work. What we are doing right now with Bernie is helping to connect her brain with her body so that those connections talk back and forth to each other loud and clear. I think that one helped you take a deep breath, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
Let's go ahead and flip over for me.
Okay.
Gonna lift and tilt your head. Good. Gonna lift and tilt your head. I'm gonna pull you down towards me. Okay. Gonna push on your lower back in a place or two. Okay. Turn on your side and face me. Gonna bend this knee. Gonna bring it up. Gonna turn your hips. Put a gentle force in. Let's go back onto your stomach. Your other stomach. Okay. I'm going to lift your hips and I'm going to lift your head. I'm going to bring your shoulders down a little bit. And we're going to just go up and down right here in your mid-back area. All right, Bernie, that was a great adjustment. Can you do a great dismount for me? Can you sit up really well?
Yeah.
Super. All right, now I'm gonna have you spin around the other way. That was a great job at getting up.
Oh boy.
Now, how did that feel?
Oh, really feels awesome, Doc.
Awesome, super. And what would you say to anyone who is going through what you've been through?
Oh yeah, you know what? Especially to my fellow caregivers, I really recommend to go to Dr. Gregg for Align Wellness Center. You will really like it, and it will really help you a lot. So I really recommend this to you guys. So thank you, Dr. Gregg, for helping me out.
Thank you so much, Bernie. Is it okay for us to share this with everyone anywhere?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Super. So if you've been wondering if Chiropractic and Align Wellness Center can help you, please give us a call and let us know. Also, if you know of a caregiver or who's someone who's been having difficulty with problems like Bernie, can you share this video with them? Once again, I'm Dr. Gregg Gersten, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.